Hello to all YouTube friends. I am from China. We are an exhaust system manufacturer for all kinds of car models, including R&D, manufacturing and sales. We have nearly 15 years of experience in exhaust system manufacturing. I'll be here in the coming time to share our factory modification cases. We are looking for foreign partners. If you need to contact me, contact information. If you need to contact me. If you are a mechanic, please add my WhatsApp or email to contact me. WhatsApp +8 61808549019. Email pguarjun.ing@gmail.com.